We're talking about routines this morning. Summertime is the time of freedom and not necessarily a strict schedule, but sometimes that wreaks havoc a little bit on the kind of the regulation happening in your home that routine affords us. Shannon, what are your thoughts on the topic?
Yeah, summer is really that time where you kind of are faced with, oh my goodness, a lot of our routines may have been focused around other things. And now we're in the summer and it's not anymore. But for me, as somebody, I'm constantly having to renegotiate my kind of routines and things, but focus on one and just do that well. For me, I kind of look for the patterns. I look for what am I seeing myself doing constantly? And is it I'm late somewhere or, I'm not getting up in the morning properly or whatever the case may be, but focus on one thing at a time.
Yeah, there's a saying, inch by inch, and it's a cinch. And um, that's really the drip, drop, and drizzle framework too, right? One drip, and slowly you've got a few more drops, and until that momentum's going, and it's a drizzle. Um, where if you start with many things, it can feel overwhelming and like, oh, I didn't get it, and so they all kind of go to pot.
Yeah.
But when you focus just on that one thing, what would make the biggest difference in routines in your home? Really focus just on that, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. You zoom out for a second and just say, what are our big pain points? What are the biggest ones that we can really kind of just nip
Yeah,
right now? And chat with your kids about it too, because they likely have things that ideas and structures and,
yeah.
in their mind.
Where's the joint stress? Like where are they feeling stress that you're also feeling stress? And that's the golden nugget. Absolutely. Yeah, for sure. And it doesn't have to get perfect, overnight, but chipping away a little bit at a time and talking and recognizing those successes that you're having helps you realize, oh, okay, like this is kind of working. So let's keep at it. Um, Parents, we're curious to know what's working for you this summer, what's not working, what structures do you have in place that are really making all of the difference, or maybe where do you need some support with structures to help home run a little bit more smoothly during the summertime. Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and continue your conversation.